Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a Glossybox unboxing, but it's a little bit different. I am bringing you both the October and the November Glossybox in one video. I have used these products just a little bit, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of how I feel about the products and how I like them so far. So I think that is all I need to say for the intro. Let's get into the Glossyboxes. So the first box is October's box, which is just the normal pink and black box. The October box is Elements of Fall, obviously. That makes perfect sense. I loved this graphic. I thought this was so beautiful when I opened up the box. First thing in this box, which has been used and is opened, and a little bit gross because it's been in my shower for a while, is the Rituals Happy Buddha Sweet Orange and Cedar Body Foaming Shower Gel. This smells terrific. Like, I wish smell-o-vision was a thing because this product is totally worth smell-o-vision. But I am a huge fan of manly scents, so if something smells like cologne or it's a little more muskier and things like that, I love those scents. Those are the kind of candles I like to buy. That's the kind of perfume and body wash and hair products I like to use, whatever. I don't use this kind of body wash. I just use bar soap, like Irish Spring or whatever. But this smells amazing. The smell lingers on my skin for the next day, and I love it. I would totally buy this again just because it smells so amazing. It leaves my skin feeling pretty great, moisturized and smooth and things like that. Other than that, it's a body wash, so cool. This is full size at 6.7 fluid ounces, and it retails for $15, so that's not too bad. Next up, and I've only used this once, is the Ouidad. I think that's how that's pronounced. I'm fairly certain that's how that's pronounced. This is the Advanced Climate Control Feather Light Styling Cream. It has anti-frizz nanotechnology to define curls and lock out humidity. I obviously have naturally wavy curly hair, and it is pretty frizzy when I let it air dry. I don't like to blow dry my hair at all. I've used it once. I think I might have used too much product because it kind of made, like, weighed my hair down and made it a little greasy. So I think I need to try it out again, use a little less, and I think it'll be fine. This is not a full size. This is a deluxe size, so this is 2 fluid ounces. Full size is 5.7 fluid ounces. The full size at 5.7 fluid ounces retails for $26. So I will continue using this, and hopefully it'll work out the next time I try it. So next is Lou by Jean Sio. This is called Erase. It's a cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. So this is the box that it came in. But this is what it looks like. It looks like a powdered oatmeal. When you put it on your face, you're supposed to mix it into a paste with some water, put it on your face, let it dry, and then exfoliate it, you know, scrub it and stuff like that. Once it's on your face, it definitely looks like oatmeal. It smells really nice. I enjoyed it. It felt really good. This is full size at 2 ounces and retails for $15. Would I buy it again? I don't know. Probably not for $15. Enjoyed it. Feels good. I felt like it really did brighten up my skin after I used it, so I liked it. Next is a makeup brush from Vasanti. It's just a flat eyeshadow brush. It's kind of a larger eyeshadow brush. One brush, full size, $21. Would I buy a brush for $21? At this moment I wouldn't, because I'm a drugstore person and not a Sephora person. The last thing is this Clove and Hollow lip color. It is in the color Spicy, and it's called a lip glaze. It is really beautiful. It's a nice, like, berry red, and it's really pigmented. I'm kind of surprised how pigmented it is. This is full size, I believe, and this retails for $15. Again, $15 is expensive for me, so I probably wouldn't purchase this on my own. They did send a discount code for us to use with our Glossybox subscription. But I like it. It's moisturizing, it's smooth, it's not patchy really. I used it once and it was okay. So that is everything that was in the October Glossybox. Let's move on to November. For November's Glossybox, we got a beautiful gold foiled box. It says Grateful and it's gold and white. Super pretty. Love it. I like when they send these boxes because they're so nice and feel really luxurious when they do something special for the month. So it's very November Thanksgiving-esque. I like that. And then also the graphic inside is gold and white foiled. I really like that they match them. So this is what they do, a really good job with the graphics on their products or on their boxes. So graphics team, you've got it going on. So this is November's box. So this is what I like about November's box. In the spirit of giving, we've curated this month's box with brands that not only look good, but do good too. Discover your signature scent with a blend from animal advocate and artist Kat Von D. Nourish your tresses and senses with Nature Queen's all-natural aromatherapy herbal hair formulas. And read on for more products to transform your everyday beauty routine into something worth celebrating all on its own. So it mentioned the shampoo and conditioner by Nature Queen. And this is what they look like. These are full size. It says set of 2 16 fluid ounce bottles. These obviously are not 16 fluid ounces. Online you would purchase a set of 16 ounce bottles and they would retail for $39. These are 3.38 fluid ounces. They smell lovely. They kind of have that muskier cedar kind of smell. This is made with all natural ingredients, no harmful chemicals, no parabens, no salicin, no ZPTO, no added color, no artificial fragrance. So this is all natural. And it says it's a premium herbal conditioner and shampoo, obviously. So I used these once. I'm not sure how I like them yet. I've only used them once. They kind of left my hair feeling a little oily. I think maybe I didn't wash it out thoroughly enough, or maybe it just doesn't mesh well with my hair type. I'm not sure, but they smell nice, so that's good. Next we've got, oh, I haven't used this yet. I meant to use this today. This is a green tea primer from Evio Beauty. I've never heard of this brand. It's cruelty-free and vegan. I was gonna say more about this, but it's a primer made in Canada. That's pretty cool. My graphic here thingamabob says it's not only is this paraben-free vegan primer good for your skin, but it gives back $1 from each tube and goes directly to YWCA Canada. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Oh, ew. It's like milky looking. It doesn't feel like a primer. It feels like straight up lotion. It's thick and, well, it kind of has an interesting scent to it. I was thinking it was gonna smell like green tea, but I do not get green tea vibes. Green tea vibes. It does leave my skin feeling soft, but it doesn't feel like my skin's primed for makeup. I don't know. I'll test it out and try it, but I don't know how I feel about it. Next up, we have a perfume sample, which, guys, this little teeny tiny box, it's so cute. And it has the prettiest like packaging embossed on it. It's so cute. Anyway, this is the Kat Von D perfume in Saint. And this is 0.17 fluid ounces, so it is just a small sample. And again, tiny little bottle. It's so tiny. It's so cute. You just twist this off and it's one of those like little dabbers. It's just an open container. Very nice scent. It says Saint features classic floral notes of vanilla, musk, and jasmine. Center features a spicier play on patchouli, wood, and cinnamon. I would have loved to get center, most definitely, because those patchouli, wood, and cinnamon, those sound beautiful to have in a perfume. But this is not bad. Like, I think maybe it's the vanilla and the musk mixed together that I really enjoy, because it's not an overpowering sweet scent. It's not overpowering vanilla like icing or cupcakes or something. And it does have that hint of jasmine, so it does have that hint of floral. So I really do enjoy this scent. So the price of the Saint perfume, a full size is 1.7 ounces. This is 0.17 ounces. Full size is $65. 2 more products in November's box, and one of them I'm obsessed with and the other one I'm a little bit disappointed in. So let's talk about the disappointing one first. I received the Tartist Brow Gel in clear. I don't know if it comes in any other colors, but I got it in clear. I'm not disappointed in this particular product itself. I've only used it once and don't have any complaints. It's a brow gel. Brow gels aren't anything special. I'm not the biggest fan of this teeny tiny brush, but I'm disappointed because I've already received a brow gel. I think it was August or September maybe. I received a clear brow gel from Pixie by Petra Beauty. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh sweet, it's a black eyeliner, or oh, it's a mini mascara. My point being is, I was hoping for something else that I would get more use out of. They just sent me a brow gel. Why would you send me another brow gel a couple months later when it takes a while to go through a brow gel? Do you know what I mean? Like, am I making sense? This is full size at 0.16 fluid ounces and retails for $19. $19 is expensive for a brow gel. That seems a little silly to me, so I probably wouldn't purchase this on my own. I'll probably just go ahead and stash it away until I finish my Pixie brow gel and then switch to this one. And last, and probably my favorite product in this box, is the Lacquer & Co. Cloud Lips. This is in the color Daydream. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. I have to get more of these. I have it on today, which you might not be able to tell because it looks very similar to my own lip color. This is full size and retails for $17. This is the Cloud Lips Airy Matte Lipstick in Daydream, and it is an absolute daydream. Look at this color. I like lip products. I enjoy getting lip products. I like trying new brands of lip products. I like trying new formulas of lip products. But this is unlike anything I own. I'm wearing it, but I literally cannot tell if there's anything on my lips. Like, it just feels like my lips are bare. Like as if I don't have chapstick on or lip gloss or a matte lip or anything. Like, it's just, like, I feel a very little amount of like smoothness. I love how it feels. I love how it wears. I love how it applies. I love this color. So this is a fabulous product. Would definitely recommend. Will probably look more into this brand and see what else they have to offer, and maybe what other colors they have in this formula, because I really enjoy it. There's very little transfer, and I think it will actually wear really well throughout the day. And if you're doing a lot of eating or drinking or things like that, I think it'll wear off beautifully and it will reapply with no problem. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed these 2 glossy boxes that I showed you. Go ahead and let me know down below which glossy box you actually enjoyed more. Did you like the October box with all the fall products, or did you like the Thanksgiving box with all the unique, fun, pretty products? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you can see more videos from me. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, welcome. That was super loud. My bad. I have a really itchy nose. We Dad is, I really hope I'm saying that right, because if I'm not, I feel really stupid. I apologize for my snifflumphagus. Okay. I'm out.